Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. So today I have another GetFPV FPV crate. This is the sub 250 crate for the month of December. This should complete our build. If you have been subscribed since they started, then this should be the last crate you need to have a fully functional and built quad. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. But first, something that was included in the box for this crate was a little note from FPV. It says, "We were notified by our friends at qav-s FPV that November's Baby Ratel 2 camera is missing the IR filter. This may cause some discoloration during daytime use. The flip side is that it enhances the visibility of the video during nighttime flying. This must box includes a baby qav-s Baby Ratel 2 camera, along with a new case to correct the issue that you may be experiencing with the first camera. We apologize for this issue. We are sure that when you receive your new camera and case that you will love these Baby Ratel 2 cameras as much as we do. Sincerely, qav-s FPV and the FPV Crate team." So this crate includes a camera, a new Baby Ratel 2 camera, which I assume has the filter in it, and an IR filter for the camera that they sent last month. I don't know if you're a subscriber, if you get this, or if you just purchase December's crate, if you're going to get a camera or not, or if, say, you only purchase November's, are they going to reach out to you? So if you just did a one-off purchase of November's FPV crate, go ahead and contact FPV Crate and say, "Hey, I hear there might be a filter missing on my camera," and maybe I'm sure they'll help you out, or I'm sure they'll send you the filter assembly right here. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we got in December's crate. All right, so this is for the month of December, and if you don't know what's in there and want to be surprised, well, at this point, I shouldn't really have to tell you what to do. All right, more proppies. Look at that. All right, so we have this crate is brought to you by HQ Prop Cadex. A bunch of stickers, Christmas themed stickers. 10% off a QAV-s frame, which I believe was in this coupon was also in the last crate. Some 5-blade gem fan props, but they're ducted props, so interesting that they're in here with this crate. Really funky looking prop. These do T-mount and traditional mounting style, but they have a little adapter that goes in there for T-mount. Interesting prop. And let's get into the heart of it, the QAV-s Mini. And it says it's a 3-inch, which we kind of assumed. Look at those itty bitty little arms. Little base plate here. Some rando carbon parts, top plate. The traditional 3mm standoff dealies. Some other rando bits. Looks like it might be like a split level. Yeah, it must be like a split level frame, kind of like the Apex, which is a really great frame. Some hardware, some more hardware, a silicone battery mat, not like a Uma grip style, but just a silicone rubber. And oh, look at this, they included instructions. Oh my goodness, you rarely see this anymore. So let's go ahead and put this guy together. Oh, I like this. This is one of their indestructible LiPo straps. If you break the strap, save it, send GetFPV a picture, and they'll send you a new one. These are indestructible straps. And I haven't seen them in this size, so this is awesome. I'm glad to know that they have those like that now. All right, let's go ahead and put this bad boy together here. It does look a little intricate, which is fine. Hopefully it, being a 3-inch and a sub 250, it won't suffer from breaking easily in a crash. It says set these up like so. And let's see, we need There it is. There's the QAV Mini S frame. Extra piece here. I don't really know where that goes. I'm assuming it probably is supposed to go here, but that would just make things even worse. Maybe it's supposed to go here? Does it go there? I mean, it's like they show something up here on the top, but that would help out between these two standoffs, but this is an M3 hole, so if anything, that's supposed to go like that, which would just make things much, much worse. I don't know. So, and we'll go ahead and stick our sticky pad on there. It's definitely going to be a more aft-mounted battery. Oh, come on. Worst peel ever. Here we go. And this goes around. It's tough because the standoffs are exactly where I would think that you'd want to put your battery strap. Unless you did two straps. There we go. All right, so there's your sub 250 crate for the month of December. You have the QAV-s Mini 3-inch FPV frame. It's definitely a acro designed frame. Your Lumineer indestructible battery strap and 3 sets of 76mm M5 ducted props. Really doesn't fit in. Doesn't really fit this build, but perhaps they're not done with it. I don't know if this frame is intended to have ducts to it. It's fairly stiff for a thin 3-inch. I mean, it does have some flex to it, but not a bad frame. Instructions: these are absolute friggin' garbage. They really you need GetFPV, QAV, whatever you are. Go back to the drawing board on this. This is crap. At least include a decent set of instructions. Not that we couldn't figure out without it, but you know what I mean. So we got the frame, got the props, got the extra qav-s camera, and also the IR lens for the one that was bad. All right, folks. That's it. Thanks for stopping by. This should complete our build. I will be building this in its entirety with all the months of FPV crates, the 250 crates. I'll do a build series on it, tune it, fly it, give you my overall thoughts, and I'll probably give it away. So stay tuned for that. Oh, and if you stuck around long enough, and you know the deal here. But if you want to win one of these, because like always, I buy 2, one for me, one for you. Click the link down in the video description. I'll give that away probably on a live stream in a week or so. All right, folks. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for checking us out. Click like, subscribe, all those things. See you all next time, and stay safe.